what we're seeing here, 72% of sites, so nearly 3/4 of the sites that responded to this survey, which I should mention was about 700 different site representatives, prefer monthly payments, but only 38% of finally negotiated payment schedules are monthly. Most of what we see at the site level is quarterly payments. And so when you're being paid quarterly for this work, it does put a huge financial strain on the site. There was a 12% reduction of contracts with withholding compared to 2023. So this is actually a positive statistic. We're starting to see less and less contracts have actual withholding in them. This typically sits at about 10 or 5%. It's usually one of two of those numbers. But we still see about 40% of contracts still have withholding in them. 53% of sites have to regularly pay for recruitment efforts out of their own funds, which means it is not specifically laid out in the budget for them as recruitment efforts. So they're having to find, scrape, beg, borrow, and plead for recruitment money from various different sources, or finance it through other different ways from the site budget. So huge financial burden for the site, because if we don't have recruitment, right, we don't have patients, and we can't move the study forward.